Russia, a land of contrasts, where fire and ice exist in perfect harmony, where Kamchatka's volcanoes paint the sky in ash and ember, while the Arctic's frozen giants groan under midnight sun. A realm so vast, it cradles a quarter of Earth's forests, each tree a silent keeper of centuries past, whispering tales of nomadic tribes, wild tigers, and winds that have roamed free since time began. This is where horizons defy perception, where steppes melt into sapphire lakes, and mountain peaks pierce clouds like the spines of ancient dragons. For generations, its untamed beauty has stirred the souls of artists and adventurers. Pushkin wrote verses beneath Caucasus stars. Explorer Nikolai Przewalski chased legends across uncharted valleys, and now it beckons you. From the gilded domes of Moscow to the spectral glow of the aurora borealis, every frame is a living painting, every shadow a story. Now, rendered in stunning 4K HDR, the soul of Russia comes alive, with colors richer than a Fabergé egg, details deeper than Lake Baikal's abyss, and contrasts as bold as its history. So breathe deep. Let your eyes wander where wolves roam and rivers run wild, where cities sparkle like imperial jewels, and nature writes symphonies in ice and flame. This is Russia, and its grandeur is waiting. From the volcanic fury of Kamchatka, where the very ground trembles with creation, to the silent dance of the northern lights, painting celestial fire across Siberian skies. This is nature in its purest, most untamed form. Here, at the edge of the world, the earth still breathes. Geysers erupt like liquid poetry. Ice caves glow with unearthly blue light, and primeval forests stand as living cathedrals to time itself. This is where our planet still creates, where new islands rise steaming from the sea, where rivers carve canyons with glacial patience, where snowflakes form into constellations under a winter moon. Every element here speaks in a language older than civilization, a reminder of the wild pulse that beats beneath our feet and in our blood. To witness Russia's wilderness is to remember. We are not separate from nature, but part of its grand design. The same forces that shape these landscapes shape us. Fire and ice, movement and stillness, endless transformation. This land doesn't simply exist. It sings the primordial song of Earth itself, inviting us to listen, to feel, to remember who we truly are. And where nature meets human hands, poetry unfolds in every stone and spire. St. Petersburg's gilded domes catch the midnight sun, floating above canals like a dream of imperial splendor. Moscow's crimson walls whisper of czars and revolutions, their onion-shaped towers piercing the sky like frozen flames. In the countryside, wooden villages stand as quiet sentinels of tradition. Log churches with weathered bell towers, izbas with lace-like carvings, their windows glowing amber against endless taiga nights. This is Russia's living canvas, where Byzantine grandeur meets Arctic wilderness, where ballet dancers pirouette in theaters while Cossacks ride through mountain passes. A land where the past is never truly past. It lingers in the scent of birchwood fires, in the chants of Orthodox choirs, in the iron tracks of the trans-Siberian stitching continents together. To witness this harmony is to understand Russia's soul, as deep as Lake Baikal, as resilient as Siberian frost, and as luminous as the white nights when the sun refuses to set. 1,000 hours of wandering through this vastness, and still, you've merely glimpsed a fraction of Russia's soul. For every golden dome you've seen, a dozen hidden monasteries cling to remote cliffs. Beyond every photographed valley, untouched wilderness stretches toward the Arctic Circle, where ice caves glow like alien cathedrals, and geysers erupt in no man's land. This is a land that defies completion. Just when you've marveled at Lake Baikal's sapphire ice, you hear whispers of the volcanoes that birthed the Kuril Islands. After walking Red Square's cobblestones, you learn of entire dead cities reclaimed by forest near the White Sea. Russia's magic lies in its endless layers, each discovery revealing 3 more mysteries waiting beyond the horizon. So take more than memories with you. Carry the scent of pine resin from Karelia's forests. Keep the echo of wolves singing between Sakha's mountain walls. Let the taste of birch sap and black bread remind you how this land sustains life against all odds. Most of all, preserve that fleeting moment when the northern lights made your breath catch. Proof that wonder still exists in our mapped world. For Russia isn't just a place you visit. It's a presence that lingers in your bones, calling you back to its endless taiga, its defiant cities, its spaces where earth and sky collide with terrifying beauty. The journey never truly ends. It simply waits for your return.